Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to invite people to a Jitsi Meet meeting step by step. A Jitsi Meet makes it easy to invite participants by sharing a meeting link, allowing anyone with access to join your online meeting quickly. So let's get started. First, open Jitsi Meet in your web browser or mobile app and start or join the meeting you want to share. Once you're inside the meeting, make sure everything is set up, including your microphone and camera if you plan to use them. Next, locate the invite button or open the participants panel, depending on the version of Jitsi Meet you're using. Yeah, you'll see an option to copy meeting link or copy invite. Now click or tap copy to save the meeting link to your clipboard. You can paste this link into an email, messaging app, text message, or team collaboration platform like Slack or Microsoft Teams so others can join your meeting. If you're scheduling the meeting in advance, include the Jitsi Meet link in your calendar invitation along with the meeting date, time, and any important details. This makes it easier for participants to access the meeting when it begins. Finally, ask your participants to click the invitation link a few minutes before the meeting starts. They'll simply allow access to their microphone and camera if prompted, enter a display name if required, and join the meeting. And that's it. You now know how to invite people to a Jitsi Meet meeting and share your meeting link with friends, coworkers, students, or clients in just a few clicks. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next